sparkling. Manifest it, write it down, you know it's happening.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a bunch of different products that Instagram ads recommended to me. So most of these are food. I don't know what that says about me, but most of the ads that I got were like foods and drinks, and I was so happy about it. I picked everything up that interests me, some things that were a little bit questionable, but I just thought it would be a fun video, and this is kind of like my way to support the local businesses out there. So obviously I'm going to make sure to link everything that I'm going to be trying out in today's video in the description box below, so definitely check it out. And I think that's it. Let's just get started with today's video. So the first product that we have is by Country Bean, and I picked up the creamy vanilla instant coffee. They do have a bunch of different flavors. I remember there was hazelnut as well. I am not the biggest fan of hazelnut, which is why I didn't go for it. Country Bean का ad actually मुझे काफी आते हैं, not just when I was trying to like look for things to buy, but in general also मुझे काफी ads आते हैं. And first impression, this smells amazing. It smells very very delicious, very very yummy. And also one more thing that I feel is that this is going to be a yummy coffee, but it's not going to be like super strong is what my first impression is. So let me go and quickly make some coffee for myself. So my coffee is ready. For taste test number 1, I'm only going to have it black. So सिर्फ पानी है इसमें और अच्छे से मैंने फ्रॉथर से इसको फ्रॉथ कर दिया है. Okay, so I'm someone who does have black coffee and it is actually very strong. I was expecting it to be not strong, but it is strong. Now for taste test number 2, I'm gonna add in the milk and get like a real coffee ka experience. It's very very nice. I actually really like it. I don't like to add sugar in my coffee, but if I were to add some sugar, it would be even better. It would be very delicious. I think I would give this a thumbs up. Also, having said all of this, I'm not like a coffee expert or anything. I do have like a cup of coffee every single day, and that's basically all the information and like knowledge that I have about coffee. But in my opinion, I really like it. I think let's do another beverage. So this is the next beverage. This is by this brand called Polka Pop, and this is cranberry flavored sparkling water. This is 100% naturally flavored, and this also has 0 sugar and 0 calories. So this sounds very very promising. I'm gonna be honest, I've already tried it off camera because I did want to like have a few bottles and like develop a taste. So you're not gonna be able to see an authentic reaction, but that's okay. The first time I had a sip of this, I was expecting it to be sweet for some reason, even though it says that it has no sugar in it. You can definitely taste the cranberry in it. By the way, this comes in a bunch of different flavors. I personally am a big cranberry fan, so I went ahead with this. It is carbonated water, so obviously you can taste that. It's a very like strong soda flavor. I'm actually glad that I tried this beforehand and not like on the spot in the video, because I got a little bit of time to like form an opinion. And I will say that I really like this product because this satisfies your craving for an aerated drink. I personally have almost given up like a Pepsi, Thumbs Up, Sprite, वो सब मैंने छोड़ दिया है पीना. And मुझे होता है कभी कभी craving, you know, वो पीने का, and I feel like this will be a nice alternative. I think I can like pop in like a sachet of sugar free in this, and it would be like my DIY cola right here, because वो aerated feel भी है इसमें, अच्छा cranberry का taste भी है. So when you're having like pizza or burger, you can have this along with that, and it will obviously be a much healthier alternative. I did do a little bit of research when it comes to sparkling water, just to understand like the concept of sparkling water, because I've never really been the person to have a lot of sparkling water. I felt like sparkling water wouldn't hydrate me as much as regular water, but that's not true. Sparkling water will hydrate you as much as regular water. This just has added carbon dioxide in it. I think I'll give this a thumbs up from my end. This is a little bit expensive, like one bottle of this, which is, how many ml is this? 350 ml का है. This is for 60 rupees. If you buy the whole thing like me, like this pack of 12 right here, I think I got it for 40 rupees एक bottle, which is still a little bit expensive, but I definitely feel this is way better than Thumbs Up, Sprite, Coca-Cola. So I will be investing in this. I do have a few more beverages, but I'm gonna save them for later. Let's move on to a beauty product. I have only 2 beauty products in today's video. Most of the products that Instagram suggested me were food items. So this is all that I could get. So this is by this brand called Slick Up. So this is an anti-fly away hair wand. Now इसका भी मुझे काफ़ी ads दिखे थे Instagram पे and it seemed so promising. And let's just do a demo really quickly. So basically this is like a mascara wand, but you're supposed to use it on your hair, on your flyaways. So I think you can tell that this is doing a pretty good job at kind of pushing all of my flyaways back, and the most important thing is that it holds it back. Doesn't just push it away temporarily behind, but it makes it stay. So as you saw, this did a pretty good job, I would actually say. And मैंने यहाँ पे भी use किया था पहले, like on my front like baby hair section, and it did not make my hair crunchy. You know, like whenever you use hairspray, it makes your hair very like crunchy and weird, and you feel the need to wash it afterwards. That I don't feel with this wand, which I really appreciate, because I personally have a lot of like flyaways and a lot of baby hair. So I'm definitely going to be using this quite a lot, and it was very affordable. Let's actually read the ingredients. The first ingredient is silica. Then we have jojoba oil, which is good. Evening primrose oil, again not bad. Camellia oil. There's some shea butter also, and then there are a few like chemicals which I can't pronounce. And then the last ingredient is water. So I don't know what to make of the ingredient list, but it does say that it is not tested on animals, which is obviously great. And I think vegan as well. The logo is very small, so I can't read it. But I think overall, I am definitely going to be using this in my day-to-day lives, which is why I would give it a thumbs up from my end. एक खाने का item कर लेते हैं. So this is peanut butter from this brand called The Whole Truth. This is a 1 ingredient only peanut butter, and this is unsweetened peanut butter, which is great. I love peanut butter. I have it almost every single day with my apple. We will do a taste test with the apple, but the reason why I felt this was so interesting, because this was only 1 ingredient. That's all. This says that it has no palm oil, no added sugar, 100% natural. This brand also has almond butter, which sounds very promising, but actually let's do a taste test of this product first. Okay, so the consistency right off the bat looks very creamy, as the name suggests, and it smells really good. Let me just do a taste test right off the bat. You can definitely tell that it's unsweetened, because वो sweetness नहीं आता है मुंह में जो regular peanut butters में आता है, which is a good thing for me personally. It's very creamy. I can taste the peanuts. Like एकदम ही sharp taste of the peanuts है. Let me actually grab a slice of apple and taste it with that. So I haven't formed an opinion about this peanut butter, because I do own one unsweetened one by the Yoga Bar, and I really like that peanut butter over this one. I will say this one is a little bit more creamier, but overall, like the whole like taste and the vibe of it, I prefer the Yoga Bar one. But this isn't bad by any means, so I'm gonna give this a sideways thumbs up. So moving on to another beverage additive. This isn't a beverage in itself, but these are drops, essential vitamin drops that you're supposed to add to your water. So this is by this brand called Beyond Water, and as I mentioned, these are essential vitamin drops. These are naturally flavored. These have no added sugar, and I picked up 3 flavors. So the first one is called lemon mint. Then we have lemon iced tea, which I'm very excited about, and then we have strawberry iced tea, जिसका packaging मैंने completely निकाल दिया है, so ignore that. अब इसे use कैसे करना है? Is basically पानी के glass में you press this for 1 second, and then that's basically it. This is the first time that I'm trying it out. Wow, that's actually really nice. Very different. Like I expected it to be much sweeter, but it's like a very light flavoring. I think this would be really good for someone who does not like to drink water, because इसमें थोड़ा सा flavor add हो जाता है water में. Like it's there, but it's not there at the same time. Next we have lemon mint. 1 second के लिए squeeze करना है. This smells like वो Glucon-D का lemon flavor आता है. It smells like that. Okay, this is very sour. Not very sour, but it's a little bit sour. Like this flavor is definitely more prominent than the strawberry lemonade one. It's not bad. I like it. Okay, let's do lemon iced tea. I think this one out of the three I like the least. Definitely strawberry lemonade is up there. Then we have lemon mint, and then lemon iced tea sabse niche for sure. Okay, so final verdict on these. They're good, they're nice. Are they absolutely necessary in your life? No, obviously not. You don't need these in your life. But as I mentioned earlier, अगर पानी पीने में दिक्कत होती है, if you don't like the taste of water, maybe then you can try these out. I definitely like the strawberry one. Aditya did not like these. But also having said that, both of us have very different palates. So एक जन को अच्छा लगा, एक जन को नहीं अच्छा लगा. So आपके रिस्क पे try कर लो. If you think this is an interesting product and you want to try it out, definitely go for it. It's not bad. अच्छा, एक और drink कर लेते हैं. Last one I promise. So this is by Vadham India, and this is their green tea assorted 15 flavors ka sampler pack. Now Vadham is a very popular brand for teas. I have tried their teas and I will say their teas are amazing. Like they are unparalleled, I will say that. So I really wanted to try out their green teas as well. And as I said, these come in 15 different flavors. I did try like 3-4 फ्लेवर्स ताकि मैं थोड़ा सा आपको ओपिनियन दे पाऊँ मेरे इसके एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में. लेट मी एक्चुअली जस्ट रीड अ फ्यू ऑफ द फ्लेवर्स. सो द फर्स्ट वन, देयर इज स्वीट हिमालयन, देयर इज मोरिंगा तुलसी, लेमन जिंजर, गिलोय नीम, कैमोमाइल लैवेंडर, Earl Grey citrus, just to name a few. Now these are certified 100% organic, and also the green tea used in here is long leaf green tea, and the green tea का जो bag है ना is very very unique. It's not like a regular one. You can definitely feel like the luxe experience when you're drinking this green tea. I personally have at least one like cup of green tea every single day. So थोड़ा सा छोटू सा experience है मुझे green tea के बारे में. And I really really like this green tea. My personal favorite flavor is the mint melody. I saved the sachet for you guys. It's really nice. Like if you like mint ka flavor, you will like this, but it's not overpowering. I also really like tulsi turmeric. That was also very yummy. It was a different flavor. Like it was a pleasant flavor for sure. I think if you like green tea, definitely this is something that you can pick up. And also I feel like this is such a good gift for someone who likes like teas and green teas. It's a really really good product. I'll definitely give this a thumbs up. The last product that we have is from the bath and like body category. So this is from this brand called Evia or Evia Care. So they are a paraben free, sulfate free, cruelty free, handmade brand, and I picked up their handmade soaps. These are whipped soaps. So the first flavor that we have is called cotton candy. Smells really really fun. Then we have lavender love. This I picked up for Mansi, so I'm not going to be using it, but it smells really nice. Like थोड़ा सा freshness भी है ये lavender में. Then we have my favorite tea tree peppermint. Smells very fresh. And then I also picked up this whipped sugar scrub in coal. It says coal as a mint. Yeah, again very very fresh. थोड़ा सा toothpaste का smell है, but I don't mind it at all. So I have not used these because I actually wanted to show you guys what they look like from the inside. They're very pretty. So these are for 400 rupees. So definitely a little bit expensive for soap. But I think they're good gifts. Like they would make really really good gifts. And if you do go for like packages, like if you do end up buying a bundle of 4 of 8, then the price obviously comes down. So let's start off with the soap. Now this soap can be used on your body as well. That just makes it a little bit more valuable for me and makes more sense in my head. So as you can see, it lathers up really really well. Smells amazing. And I will say after you wash it off, it is again very hydrating. So overall, it's pretty good. I think it's really good as a gift especially. Now talking about the scrub, I really enjoy the scrub because it gives you a really nice intense scrub. So if you have sensitive skin, probably stay away, but overall I really like the scrub. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. It was a very different video for me. I've never really done like this kind of video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. I can definitely do a part 2 because Instagram keeps like popping up with like different ads, random products. So I can definitely do that for you guys. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, follow Skion, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.